Is Timilk Chillerase Bump Renewal Spray just hype, or are you falling for a skincare scam? Let's get real. You've probably seen those ads promising to freeze skin tags away, like magic. But in 2026, a lot of buyers feel misled. First off, this isn't a cryotherapy spray. Despite the marketing, it's not going to freeze anything. What you're getting is a room temperature, herbal mist. No frosty science here, just a cooling sensation on your skin. Some users say it's refreshing and helps soothe razor bumps or redness. It does absorb quickly and isn't sticky, so that's a plus. But a lot of reviews call it out for being basically glorified water or vinegar in a fancy bottle. If you're expecting instant results or skin tag removal overnight, prepare to be disappointed. Let's talk ingredients. The label is confusing. Some listings mention salicylic acid, others talk about bee venom, and of course, there's the herbal claim. This inconsistency leaves a lot of shoppers scratching their heads. If you still want to try it, here's the step-by-step. Cleanse and dry the area. Spritz the spray directly onto the bump or tag. Gently massage until absorbed. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day for at least a week. But remember, results vary, and for many, they're subtle at best. Shipping's slow too, sometimes over 2 weeks. And if you have sensitive skin, watch for itching or soreness. So, is it a scam? Not exactly, but it is heavily overhyped. Think of it as a soothing mist, not a miracle remover. If you're curious, only buy from official sources. And don't forget, always patch test and talk to your dermatologist when in doubt. Stay smart and don't fall for frozen fairy